In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT-5 to design a premium designer bag in 2026. Let's get started. First, I open up my browser and head over to the ChatGPT website. Once the main dashboard loads up, I navigate over to the left-hand sidebar menu and click on the icon to open up the sidebar. From the options listed under the menu, I look for More and click on it to reveal the hidden features. In the drop-down menu that appears, I select Images to open up the dedicated image generation interface. Now that the image generation workspace is ready, I click into the main text prompt field at the top of the screen to describe the bag I want to design. I type out a very detailed, high-end prompt. I specify that I want to generate the actual image of a luxury designer tote bag for 2026. Once the full prompt is typed out, I click on the send arrow button to submit it. ChatGPT immediately switches over to a new chat window and begins processing the request. On the screen, you can see the placeholder area that says, Creating Image, as the AI starts working through its generation steps. It goes through the stages of sketching it out, making the first draft, setting the scene, polishing details, finishing up, and adding the final touches. After a brief moment, the generation process completes, and the interface displays a prompt asking, "Which image do you like more?" It presents me with two beautiful, side-by-side design options. I take a moment to look at both options, comparing the textures, shapes, and overall aesthetic. Both designs look incredibly realistic and beautifully manufactured, but I decide that image 2 catches my eye the most. Now I can see the incredible detail of the bag. I click the zoom tool and scroll in closely to inspect the fine craftsmanship. I zoom in directly onto the gold hardware, checking the precision of the logo charm, the smooth texture of the premium brown leather, the clean lines of the contrast stitching, and the crisp, high-end, Lavenza Paris branding stamped onto the lower front of the bag. The lighting and shadows look absolutely flawless. I zoom back out to take in the full composition one last time. And that is how you can easily use ChatGPT-5 to design a stunning, professional-grade luxury bag. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.